Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I'm your dietitian. To beat these monsoon related illnesses, it is really important to consume healthy warm drinks. Check out this video for the top 5 low caloric warm drinks for this monsoon season. So why late? Let's get in. Firstly, black coffee. It's one of the favorite drinks for most of us and it's a great drink for monsoon. Secondly, hot chocolate. This tasty drink can save you from seasonal colds and cough, but replace sugar with stevia or jaggery to make it healthier. Third, turmeric tea. Amazing benefits in turmeric adds benefits to fight infections during monsoon. A cherry on the top is turmeric tea has 0 calories too. Fourth, spiced almond milk. Almond milk is most nutritious. Adding spices like cinnamon and cardamom make it a great for fighting seasonal cold. Fifth, fruit tea. Fruit tea made with peach, strawberries, apples and oranges is amazingly tasty and rich in nutrients. Best drink during monsoon. Consuming healthy drinks during monsoons fights the seasonal cold, cough, fever and seasonal allergies too. Drink them regularly. Enjoy the benefits. And if you have liked this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel Apoorva Dietitian in YouTube. And not only that, check out my next week's video too. It is again the monsoon special video. Stay tuned, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.